Read me, with topic.
Environment.
3, 2, 1, go.
Environment. The environment refers to the natural world around us, including the air, water, land, and all living things. The environment plays a vital role in sustaining life on Earth, providing food, water, and shelter for all living organisms. However, human activities such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change are increasingly threatening the environment and the health of the planet. Environmental issues have far-reaching impacts on human health, economies, and ecosystems, making it essential to take action to protect the environment. Promoting sustainable practices, reducing carbon emissions, protecting natural habitats, and preserving biodiversity are important steps towards a healthier and more sustainable future for both humans and the planet.